It's Brianna Muller Green, and I am the co-owner of designfordollars.com. And I want to show you guys how you should be maximizing your Merch by Amazon design work. So you are taking a peek into a Merch by Amazon account of mine. And so these are some actual designs that I have sold. And you can see one of the designs that I have goes back to 2017, right? And so obviously this design is offered on all of the products and Merch by Amazon. That makes sense because it is a shirt that, while it doesn't sell like crazy, it sells relatively consistently. It has one review. And so what I've done is my business model follows the system in which I launch my t-shirts on Merch by Amazon and kind of use that as a barometer to determine whether I should offer those designs then elsewhere. Unfortunately, Merch by Amazon, there are some inherent problems, and not all of us are seeing the same amount of success as we used to, or the same amount of success as some of the other people that might be using a different business model. So the point is, maximize merch as much as you can and then add to your business strategy to maximize the work you're already doing. So what I do is I'll take this design, which indeed I have, and besides just adding it to the products that are Merch by Amazon, I actually have an Etsy store. And you can see that I actually have a variety of different products. And let me show you with Just Send It what I have done. Now, over the last few years, I have sold that very, very plain, simple design on a lot of different apparel pieces. But there are literally thousands of products out there now that we can sell our designs on, and we can get it all set up for free. Other than we're looking at Etsy, where there's a 20 to 30 cent charge per listing, but they stay up for like 4 months. And you can also give and get free listings by using their affiliate referral program. So I'll share with you, and you get 40 when you open your new store, and then that gives me 40, and then you can pass that on to someone else. But what I have to show you is something that is really, really important for Merch by Amazon sellers to do if you're actively designing and if you're not quite seeing the success or the level of profits that you want to on Merch by Amazon. It's okay. There's a lot of other people where it's not their thing, or it used to be, and they've pivoted. And so Etsy is one of those places where many members of the print-on-demand community are pivoting. So let me show you how easy this is, okay? I'm using Gooten. Gooten is actually a print-on production partner that prints this stuff for me. And it's as simple as opening up an account and setting it up to communicate with my Etsy account. In particular with Gooten, they also happen to integrate with WooCommerce now and Shopify. And you can also place personal orders on here really easily, as well as custom orders. And what I want to show you is their product catalog. So what I have done is I have taken Merch by Amazon bestsellers within the niche I'm showing you, as well as within some other niches that I'm in other Etsy stores, and I apply them to other products that make sense, or other products that I think my niche audience would enjoy. And so you can see here through Gooten, you can offer your audience the most amazing products. And they become your own creation, right? You become the designer. You become the creative genius behind the operation. And so I can take that very simple just send it design and add it to things like shower curtains, duvets, outdoor rugs. I want you guys to take a look at this one. So in one of my Etsy stores, I'm selling products like this, right? They're outdoor floor mats. They're like indoor outdoor rugs, the really short piled rugs. $19.99 they sell for. And so I just wanted to take a brief, little bit of time here to show you guys what you could and what you should be doing with your Merch by Amazon designs. And it doesn't have to be just bestsellers. I mean, I've been on Merch by Amazon since 2015, the end of 2015, when a lot of the people in our community started to get on board with merch. And so, of course, through that time, my business model has changed, as has the business model of many others. And so I just wanted to show you that this is one way to just really scale things out and to pivot and, don't throw in the towel. If you're struggling with print on demand and Merch by Amazon isn't working for you, or whatever your current strategy isn't working for you, give this one a shot. And of course, if you need help with, getting this going, we offer an Etsy training course at Design for Dollars, and it's called Easy Etsy. And so if you are catching this video right now, I'm going to drop right below a link, and it is for a significant discount off of Easy Etsy, and I'm going to call it the special Etsy link, and you'll see that it will automatically drop the price significantly for you, so that you could capitalize on that. Oh, my lovely dog's joining us at the end. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. And again, hit that button below for that special Etsy discount if you are game for jumping into to the Etsy space. Take care.